Hey everybody, today we're in a Lexus ES350. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 855896. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this white covering here. You want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always make sure you put the mount on the dash before you screw anything to the faceplate. With that, we can get started. Now this mount is going to attach into two different seams around the vent here. And the first one is along the bottom, and it's between this glossy black and the matte finish here on the inside of the vent. I'll use the included gap opener, and you can see this seam right here is where it's inserting into. The other one is technically the exact same seam, it's just along the top. So again, between the glossy trim and the hard black of the vent on the inside. So this is actually the trim we're going to start with, is the top. So I'm going to insert the gap opener, and then we're going to insert that top lip right next to it. And then you can take the gap opener out. You're going to want to hold the mount in place, and then you can put the gap opener in the bottom seam. And now we're going to use our thumbs to press up on this lip and flex it so it gets into that same seam. There we go. Take the gap opener out. Now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.